this is the first I'm seeing of Portugal because it was dark when I got here.
Shopping center in Porto because I'm looking for a SIM card so that I can get some data because my roaming isn't working well. So guys, an update. I went to the shopping center, I found it, and let me just tell you, you don't ever feel as accomplished as when you're in a foreign land, you don't speak the tongue and your data isn't working. So I was feeling so accomplished that I found the shopping center just using my wisdom, my knowledge, okay, I'm gonna do it now. Okay, so anyways, I found a shopping center and I found somewhere where I could get a SIM card. So my other battery died, so I was saying that I found the shopping center and then I decided not to get the SIM card after all because it's too much money and I'm only here for a few days. Like, it doesn't make sense. And I just gave Vodafone 15 extra pounds and I want it back. So I'm going to take this as a sign that the Lord wants to commune with me and He wants me to have a time of solitude. So right now it is 1:30. I can check into my accommodation at 3 p.m. So I'm just in this beautiful park that is just giving fall vibes. That's the first park that I saw when I came, and I came right back to it. It's not very far from the welcome center for my accommodation. I don't know if this camera is doing this place justice because it is absolutely beautiful. You need to see it with your eyes. So, yes. Heading back to the welcome center because it's going to rain in about an hour and I don't want to get wet. So I'm going to go there. By the time I get my bags, it should be about 4:30, so that will give me about 30 minutes that I need to wait in the welcome center. I finally got to my second accommodation, which will be the accommodation that I will be at for the duration of my time here in Portugal, and I will show it to you guys before I destroy it. Although there's not much to destroy, but before I unpack my bags and I lay on the bed, I will show you my little loft. I've just been here chilling well, not chilling per se. I would say that I was dealing with some settling down things like fixing my data. I was able to sort that out, thankfully. Yay, I'm looking like an oil ball right now, an oil slick. I have to touch up my face because I need to go to dinner tonight. I did not have a proper meal last night. I did not have a proper breakfast, and I didn't have a proper lunch. I kind of had like a brunch, but it was very small. So I need to go to dinner, and I need to go to the grocery potentially. But I just checked the weather because it's been raining quite heavily, and they said that there is a moderate weather alert for Porto for tonight. Now, when there are weather alerts in the Caribbean, I typically don't go out. But tonight I need to eat because I have nothing here. Last night I already didn't eat well. So I need some tea. I need to eat something tonight. And I already made a reservation at a restaurant. Thankfully, it's not far away. It's 10 minutes walk. But the rain has been so heavy that I've been wondering whether to cancel it. But I don't even have that option because I'm hungry. So I'm probably going to have to tie up my hair. So I didn't even bring my waterproof coat, like waterproof jacket. I brought 2 fabric jackets, and I didn't even bring my umbrella either. I was trying to save space. So if I get to the grocery, I'm going to have to get an umbrella. But it's Sunday, and Porto is quiet on Sundays. So I'm going to go and touch up my face, and I'm going to leave here shortly. So I am ready to go. I was thinking of leaving you guys behind, but I can't do that. I always do that. Like, why do I do that? We need to go. So we're heading to dinner, darlings. I made a reservation. I don't think it's anywhere fancy, but the reviews are really good. They serve tapas, but apparently they're a good size. But we'll see when we get there because I don't know what I'm having yet. So I put up my hair because it's raining a lot, and I just feel like this will help manage. So I managed to leave home, and it's actually not raining anymore. The Lord is good. I am actually very near my restaurant, the restaurant that I'm eating at tonight, but I decided to run to a grocery that's closing in 3 minutes before I go to the restaurant because I need some water and I need to at least have a snack in my possession. So I got that, and now I'm heading to the restaurant. I just showed you guys the cobbled street. It looks kind of tiled. I'll try to give you guys a better view of it. It's not super cold, and I have 30 minutes to kill. Soul dinner in Portugal, and I'm loving it. I think they'll be having some live music, so we'll see. It's small, but it's intimate and cute. I love it.
So heavy, better help me carry. My crown so heavy, better help me carry. My crown so heavy, crown so heavy, my crown so heavy.